Hi guys, welcome back to Eduate channel. Today we will be discussing a course career, a course job or job career video. So, Wildlife Institute of India is offering a course for many of the degree holders. So, vets can also join this course and get this MSc Wildlife Science degree, that is the post graduation degree. And vets who are interested in wildlife science can do this course. So, the Wildlife Institute of India is a premier national institute in providing professional and training research advisory services in forest conservation and wildlife management. The institute is managed by Ministry of Environment, Forest, Climate Changes, and Government of India. Wildlife Institute of India carries out wildlife research in areas like wildlife forensic, endangered species, biodiversity, wildlife management, etc. So, WII Dehradun was interested in the mandate in training biologists. The master's degree was initiated in 1988. So this is the Wildlife Institute of India. So the course details. The name is Masters in Wildlife Science, MSc Wildlife Science. The duration is 2 years, which will be including dissertation and many nationwide tours and guideline practices. And for more details of the course, you can log into wii.gov.in and you can go to the MSc Wildlife Science. You will be getting more details about the 2 year course in first semester, second semester, third semester, and fourth semester. What are the topics? What are the details? What are the projects assignments, etc. You'll be seeing there. So you have to qualify the national entrance test conducted by WII. It's an online test. Total number of questions will be 100. There will be three sections. That is section 1, 2, 3, 30 MCQ, 40 MCQ, 1200 word essay on environment, forest, wildlife conservation, etc. And if you are getting the cutoff mark, you will be shortlisted based on the NAT cutoff mark. So the test centers are Trivandrum, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Mumbai, these all. So the eligibility criteria for writing the NAT. So you have to get a bachelor's degree in science, any bachelor's degree in science, or you can be a doctor, engineer, veterinary doctor, agriculture graduate, forestry graduate, pharmacist, social science, computer science, or degree recognized as equivalent thereof by any Indian recognized institution. So selection process, eligible candidates will be required to appear for an online NAT test. It will be, if you are having any of the basic degree, you can appear for the online NAT. If you are getting the 70% mark on the NAT, you will be shortlisted and you will be taken to what? The second test, that is personality aptitude test and interview. So there are three steps, that is NAT, PAT and interview. If you are getting a good mark in NAT, you will be called for the PAT. And the combined mark, final selection to the course will be made on the basis combined merit of 70% taken from NAT and 30% from PAT. Shortlist candidates will be interviewed on this date. These dates are actually the previous dates. These are the tentative dates. They can change. The selected Indian nationals will have to confirm their joining in the course. That is acceptance of selection. They have to be replying for the mail by the preferred date. So these are the previous year date. This can change, but I have included this date only because you can get an idea. For foreign students, also this exam can be conducted. They should have to do an interview and all in the Skype. Thank you. For the more question papers and more details, go to the link in the description box. You can get notifications, question papers, etc.